Guys, it's about time. Today we are going to have a look at this vintage radio. Oh. We're going to be having a look at this today. If you guys can see what's in there, congrats. See in there? This thing has a built-in speaker. Well, it already has a speaker in it anyway, but yeah. Ouch. What's the matter with it? Now, so yeah guys, we're going way over the count now, so we are going to have a look at this. Turn the mouse off. We're going to have a look at this today. In today's video. Oh. This is a Sanyo player. It says Sanyo on the speaker though. There's no connections. Violent video games. No, how about we'll do it on the ground, because I feel like it'll be a bit safer for my phone. Yeah, let's do it on the ground because I don't want my phone to get damaged. Whew. Right. No. Right guys, get one of these speakers here. We already had a look at this already in like a few videos ago. Time to do something a little different. It's this right here. This here. So it does work, but we're not going to test it out when it's in this state. Right there. Here we go. Right there. Now I need the lights. I need a light. It's getting late. Move on to the right. No, let's just stand it on one of the speakers here. So I've got a light set up. We've got quite a bit in here. Lots of technology in here. So here we have the speaker. How about I'll try and get something to get that out with. I might be able to try and tiny magnet too. Videoing. Oh, that's tight. What? They glued it in? Really? They glued the speaker in. Stuffed it in. Yeah. If not, I need to get up. If I had screwdrivers, see if I can. Oh. Wow, this thing's tough. Guys, this thing is so unbelievably tough. So it's like impossible to get out. I don't know. What type of glue did they use? What type of glue did they use on this thing? It's really like stuck. Oh. Woo! She's out. Got the speaker out. Unbelievable. I don't know what type of glue they used. Wow, that took some effort. Look at that. Got the speaker out. Look at that, guys. Somehow they managed to glue that speaker right into its place. Real tight. Yeah, like that. Just managed to glue in just like that. Huh. Man. Junky little speaker. Whoa. 8 ohms, 0.5 watts. That's a Sanyo as well. Yeah, Sanyo. Huh. Why didn't I ever notice? Why did I ever notice? Capacitors. Tweeters. This thing has no tweeter light, it just has for the standard cheap speaker in it. Oh, what a cheap thing. This thing's garbage. Whoa. It kind of works, it's actually pretty faulty. It's quite faulty. Just leave the speaker hanging out so you can hear it working and all that, but... Here we go, there it is. It's in all of its glory. It's hooked up as well. Hooked up and everything. Oh, hang on, I got a 9-volt battery. I got a 9-volt battery. I got a 9-volt battery. Battery. Look what happened. I ripped the battery. Guys, I gotta go. Bye. Rip the battery part. Subscribe.